My baby says, meow, meow, meow. My heart starts pumping. Chicka, chicka, chew up. Never gonna stop. Gitchy, gitchy, goo means that I love you. That I love you, baby, baby, baby. Gitchy, gitchy, goo means that I love you.
We are celebrating the launch of the new season, the premiere of the new season of Phineas and Ferb after 10 years of being away. We're finally dropping season 5.
Yeah, it's time to get back to work.
I mean, getting the call to come back and work on more Phineas and Ferb was the best thing ever. I love playing Phineas. It's a role that means so much to me, and I know that it means so much to so many other people. And the fact that we get to come back now and introduce this show and these characters and this music to a whole new generation of kids, I think it's so, so incredible, and I'm very, very excited for everyone to see what we have in store for them.
I love being Candace. She's honestly like that character that just like crazy, fun. I love trying to bust my brothers. Dan and Swampy are just geniuses, and they have created an amazing show and one that has lasted a long time. And to see new generations loving it just as much as the old is pretty exciting. But I mean, it's like the music, it's the boys, it's Candace. I think it's like all of it together. So I'm so happy to be here.
Season 5, if you thought that we had outlandish adventures and outrageous ideas in the earlier seasons, the new season is phenomenal from start to finish. And my favorite part is that the Fireside Girls, you're going to see other sides of their personalities that you've never seen before.
I'm D. Bradley Baker. I voice Perry, the platypus. It's exciting to be back because everyone is so happy and so anticipating more. I've never had fans so loving of a show, and they're so thrilled to hear that it's coming back. Phineas and Ferb is beloved by all because it's about optimism, it's about caring, it's about fun. Perry the Platypus will save the world on a daily basis. That's what we can expect.
She can't see the squirrels in my pants.